Yeah, look at her. She's using a knife.
A council member gathering cedar bark. Put that on YouTube. See how many are probably.
Well, you know, this is a good skill just to know. I learned it during 2005 how to do this. And then I've taken student groups from Elwa out to gather bark.
Not like me. Not that I'm complaining.
Usually they bite me, but I did spray myself and it must be working. Oh.
Okay, all you gotta do is hold it. It's already running.
It's quite cute.
What's that?
I like the skin.
That one's gonna go up higher.
Gonna need some rope?
Oh, looks like I got a long one this time.
I think I'm gonna need some rope.
That.
Mom, can you give him the rope? He's gonna need it. This is my eye.
Okay, you need to back up. Get back up. Better position. That came right up to a branch right there.
He's gonna need the rope. Need rope?
It might have to there.
Well, rope.
It did great up until I got to a knot. That's the best one I've gotten yet.
Good God.
All right.
Okay. Still recording?
Yeah.
Look at the bottom there and the numbers moving.
Yeah.
Oh, it went on.
Whoa!
Whew, I did it. Thank you. Well, I don't need any more. Thank you.